Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see the complete walkthrough of our letter module. So let's get started. So here is the login page of our Worksuite application. First we will log in, and after login go to settings, and from settings modules and custom modules. From here you can install the letter module. I am not showing how we can install it. You simply have to follow the documentation, or I already have a video tutorial which you can see for the installation of the module. That is very pretty simple. You just have to click on the install button and upload the files that you downloaded from the Codecanyon and click the install button and you are good to go. So the next step will be activating the letter module. Here is the letter module. We just have to click on activate and we are good to go. After activating, so here is the main panel of the letter module. We'll click on the letter. So it has two submenus. One is generate and another is template. So first we will create various templates for our letter modules. So let's see how we can create templates. So basically letter module is to generate various letters inside the company that we give to the employees, like offer letter, joining letter, increment letter and many others. So let's create one. Let's say here we are giving the joining letter, and this is the joining letter of company, and then it will be given to employee name. You can copy it and paste it here, and it will be given by the signatory. Will be, let me enter the signatory by, this is just the demo department, and here will be the department. Let's copy the company name and click save. So I have created one template. Let's go and generate one letter for it. So suppose a new employee has joined and we want to give him the joining letter. So let's select the joining letter from here and the employee from the top. So here I have selected Tina Nuno. So as to the right side we can see the preview that this is the joining letter, the name, and this is generated by Tina, means the admin of the application, and the department and designation and the company name is here. So we'll simply click save button and we are good to go. So we have other options like space settings. So basically this is giving the space at the top, left, right of the letter, so as we can print directly on our letterhead. So let's click save. So the letter is now created. Let me view it, and we can even download it. Let's first view it, and this letter we can simply download it and view it. So this is the letter which we can print directly on the letterhead. So this is the letter module for now. We can also duplicate the letter from here, and duplicate everything is simple, and this time the is some other, and click save. And now we have created two offer letters, two joining letters to two different employees. We can simply delete, download, view. We can also download from here. So this is the letter module. This is very simple and very straightforward. If you still have any query, you can write down to us and our team will respond to that. Thank you.